Hey guys, it is good to see you. In my next video, let's check how our new video improving quality trick works. The video in the right is distorted, and the next video in the left is restored. Let's check and compare them now. Now, you see the reason between them, and you can do this trick for most of your videos. But you cannot do it for every video, because some of videos are taken from a big distance, and maybe lighting is very bad. You need just check if it works on in what video. First of all, you need install Wink mobile application on your phone. Follow this simple steps. Choose this image quality tool. Now, you see our Ultra HD 2. And next step, click on Try Now. Choose your distorted or old video that needs more quality. Select video, and the quality improvement process is going automatically. Just wait for some seconds or a few minutes. Let's check the quality comparison between before and after processing. I hope you like this, and you can make your videos as more qualitative as you like. Also please, if you consider that this video is giving you a useful knowledge, then subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See you.